Good morning, friends. Technology is what many people think will lead our way to success. And technology can be accessed through gadgets. And gadgets have been made from the early 90s and even before that. And every single human on this planet uses gadgets. It may be a mainframe computer to even a small mobile computer. And technology and AI is what people think will beat the human brains, and it even probably has. And I think that it will even beat the nature for good. And with technology and gadgets, we will be able to overcome many things like very dangerous, contagious diseases. And right now, our scientists, the technology and gadgets have put in effort to find the vaccine of coronavirus, which we are not able to find it yet, but soon we will. Technology is what will help us overcome many extreme situations like extreme heat to very low temperatures, and we might one day able to reach the sun before melting down. Through technology, we will be able to go to Mars, and we have already reached Moon, but to Mars I can assure you, and I hope so, that we will reach to Mars one day with the technology. And I think AI is so helpful that it can replace the human jobs, like the disgusting ones, like the sewage cleaning, the roads cleaning, and other things like that, which humans feel awkward to do. Technology is the thing that will help us in the near future, and it has already started. But many people say technology is that only thing that will destroy us, which might be true, and probably we even will find a solution for that. And the solution for that will be made up in the near future, very soon. Technology has made our lives so easy that robots have even gone to do normal works like hotel registrations, like serving the food, and many other things. Technology will be very powerful in the coming and the next coming generation. And goodbye. Have a great day ahead. Agampreet Singh.